What's taking you so long? I'm getting bored.
Okay, we're...
I know what to do. That thing's huge! Did I just level up?
Large asteroid headed for our home planet.
Beware, I live.
It's the end of the world! As usual, I'm prepared. I have a secret underground bunker.
Why didn't we know about it?
Because it's not a ground bunker. It can withstand anything. Zombie apocalypse, misguided handing out pamphlets, a robot uprising. It's just as I left it. Pristine and untouched by anyone. Ooh, ooh. Now we
Come to think of it, maybe I did know about it.
clean this place up. Restock the rations and get that some mouthwash off my mustache. I have a plan. Our Mustache Planet is about to be hit by a giant asteroid. Come with me if you want to pay. I mean, live.
Really? We're about to be obliterated by a giant asteroid scheme?
This asteroid is real!
Meme.